Ringtone. Ringtone is a cross-border e-commerce independent site that sells smart rings, generating over 10 million in annual revenue. With the rise of smartphones and wearable devices, most consumers are familiar with smartwatches and fitness bands, but Ringtone took a different path, focusing on smart rings that monitor sleep, activity, blood oxygen, and stress in a more compact, comfortable, and stylish way. Compared to other wearables, these rings are lighter, more discreet, and look more futuristic, making them stand out in a saturated market. Traffic data shows Ringtone receives around 400,000 daily visits, with over 80% from direct and search traffic. More than half of its customers are in the United States. In marketing, Ringtone relies heavily on social media promotion rather than traditional ads. The team collaborates with tech influencers across YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, focusing on unboxing and review videos that showcase real experiences. This strategy builds trust and strong brand awareness, explaining their high direct traffic share. At first, smart rings seemed like a niche product, but a quick search on Alibaba International reveals many suppliers offering similar models. Compared with Ringtone's retail price of $200,300, the profit margin is significant. This shows how even a small startup can compete in emerging tech niches by finding strong supply partners and creative marketing angles. Another top competitor in this field is Airsang, which attracts millions of monthly visitors and serves as a benchmark for the category. For anyone planning to build a similar cross-border e-commerce brand, I've written a complete independent site operations manual covering product selection, payment and logistics setup, website building, traffic generation, and customer acquisition. Whether you're an existing platform seller or a newcomer to cross-border business, this guide will help you start your own smart product brand from zero. If you'd like a copy, follow, and comment independent site, and I'll share it with you.